Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about code inspections and code review or code walkthrough. Code inspections. It is a formal review process where participants means who write the programmer, project manager, and experts and other developers, etc., etc. Where participants work together as a team with specified roles. It's a formal review process that will be done as a teamwork and a team with specified roles. So one will be act as a moderator, and one will be act as a reviewer, and another one will be act as a review recorder, and another one will be um, act as a inspector, like that with specified roles. So all work together, all do the several meetings, and they do the review process, and they do some lot of meetings, and they do some lot of discussions, and each one perform a specific role. And it is discovered by Fagan. It is the name of the discover. There's the name of the inventor, Fagan. And main goal of the inspection process is to detect the errors, problems through the procedures, through the tests, and through some rules and procedures. And it is a formal type of review based on rules and checklist. So this is a formal type of review process done by the teamwork, and in a team each one perform a specific role, and all do several meetings, and all do the several meetings, and all do the discussions also, and each one perform a specific role. And the main goal of the code inspection is to find the errors and mistakes, so that we can reduce the testing and maintenance cost. Otherwise it leads many problems. So we have to uh, detect the errors in a coding phase itself. Otherwise it will leads many problems in testing phase and maintenance phase. Code review or code walkthrough. This is an informal review process where participants examine code separately. Participant means same number of same participants. What I have told earlier slide, in the earlier slide. Here in this review process, they just do what they just do the review process separately. Uh, Means individually they do the review process, and conducted by group of programmers. That means review done by peer committee. That means expert committee. But they do the exam. They examine the code separately. That is the characteristics of code walkthrough or code review. They do the they what they do. The peer committee view the code and read the parts of the source code. Here also the focus is on identifying errors and mistakes and technical errors to avoid the future problems. Review data is recorded and used for monitoring the effectiveness. Obviously, at the end, the review data must be recorded and used for monitoring the effectiveness of the software product. So, code inspection is a formal review process, and code review or code walkthrough is the informal review process. Here also, it will be done by group of members, and that one also will be done by the group of members. But here, in a code review or code walkthrough, people examine the code separately, and they give the comment on code. They give the review comments. But here, in a code inspection, all of sit in a room and all do the discussions and meetings, and they examine the code by performing the specific roles. That is a code inspection. So this is the concept of code review and code inspection. The overall the advantage of this inspection and review is uh, whatever uh, whatever the errors occurred in coding phase. So we have to in the coding phase itself we have to rectify it and we have to solve it, otherwise it leads many problems in next phases, next phases such as testing and maintenance phase. So to keep the such kind of factors in mind, so code inspection and code review is very essential parts of the coding phase. So it enhances the code clarity and it enhances the outcome of the coding phase. Thank you.